I'll just
The problem with the stretching way is that you may get slightly different thicknesses. See, I don't like the way that actually comes off. Anyway, so let's make one more this way and maybe one more the stretching way. So you can actually the stretching way you really don't have to bake. I never used to in the beginning.
I'm just finding a right spot.
You need to be where I am.
So this is going to be another regular kind. So I'm just going to place it down. Actually, it's probably not necessary to use that Kim wipe. It is, though, during the stretching kind. It's actually kind of necessary to do that. Let me grab a slide. Just enough pressure to get them to stick together so that you can pick it up. We'll trim those later. I'm just kind of, and I'll do one more stretching thing. Because these actually to make these little chambers is kind of, this is how I used to do them when I was doing the Floyd essays to some extent, even though it was a little bit different than it wasn't turf, but I used to do them
just so you could
similarly.
I can't remember what we did. We did something too that I think Cheney showed us. Maybe just fingernail polish or
Fingernail polish tends to be bad with protein solutions. It's definitely kills cells, so you don't want to use. People use different things. There's lots of. I can't remember how we did it either.
After you're done, can you please leave it like that? So like.
On the.
Yeah, on the.
You can take a picture. Well, I guess it's harder.
I'm not sure what you mean. Leave it like.
Yeah, in there. Oh, okay.
Here?
Yeah.
Can you see it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. I think we know how to, Okay. So this will just freshen our memory.
Right. So this actually might seal well, but it also might be a little. Oh, I know. There was one trick about that. There's one trick about the about this kind that I don't bake, but it's sort of related. This is how I did it. Now that I remember. Okay, so I put the strips down on the cover glass, just like I had. So I'd lay the cover glass down. I put the strips on. Before I put the slide down, I had a burner going.
Oh, yeah.
And I would just briefly get this warm, and then I would place it down, and that would do it.
I think that this said that to do that too. Was removed from ethanol, flame dried, cool. No, this says
ends and cut, and then do this on the ends and cut. You have to send me the movie, so I know how I do it too. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Oops, that came apart. Darn it. I attached it. I glued it. Oh, I forgot to cut those ends. So it was kind of stuck to the glass. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of important. Okay, we're at like 79. I'm gonna go in the middle.
How long we are baking? 20 seconds?
20 seconds, so I don't think it's magic number.
no.
Let's go approximately that. So, well, just put a minute up there. Okay. So we'll go about 30 seconds. It'll essentially be kind of close. sometimes you can see. I mean, it's going to be hard to test. You could flow something through there and see. Sometimes you see this kind of stuff going on. Let's see. I don't remember if that was one that I pressed out. That's not one I stretched.
Yeah,
so
it's thicker.
I think I stretched that one.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I think I stretched that one too because I can see the sort of those lines there. But anyway, that's about roughly the idea. You kind of have to make it work for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.